Have you ever been caught up in the moment thinking that everything is going all right and nothing wrong is going to happen? Well, last week I had that experience. So I took some young people out and we decided to go to the pool and relax, about seven of us, just to relax for the weekend. I got so caught up in the moment and I went down the slide with my phone. Everybody asks, is your phone waterproof? Is your phone waterproof? And I'm like, yeah, caught up in the moment, I tell you. Yeah, my phone is waterproof. And I went down in the slide. And my wonders. Oh my gosh. When I came up, my phone was working. But after an hour and a half, I realized that it's glitching. And I flashed back. I was warned so many times not to go in the pool with my phone. And I'm like, I want to take back that moment, but I couldn't. I'm saying this to encourage you and to remind you. There are going to be times when you will get that nudge, that urge to don't do something. And at the same time, you might get an urge to do something. Sit within yourself and discern whether or not you should or should not do this, because there's so much consequences to the decisions that we make. My consequence was not adhering to that inner voice which says your phone is not waterproof, don't go down the slide with it. I didn't adhere to that and I went down the slide anyways, and I had to put my phone in rice for a week and change. I couldn't communicate with the people I usually communicate with. I had important emails to read because everything is on my phone. Everything is on my phone. And when my phone was down for that week, I was so angry with myself. So sometimes the decision that we will make, we'll get so angry with ourselves. But be reminded that you were warned. You got that still voice. That still voice was telling you, don't do it, don't do it. But yet still you went ahead and do it. And sometimes that voice would say, do this, and then you didn't do it, and then you realize you should have done it. So listen to that inner voice, discern properly what the next best step is before you move forward, because you're going to make some critical decisions, or you will not take some decision that you should take. So my encouragement for you today is listen to that inner voice, your inner voice, discern it, and then take the next best step. I'm going to show you the video that I did when I went down the slide with my phone, and you're going to be like, oh Manel, why would you do this? So my encouragement today to you is discern, do some introspection. Yes, I was having fun for that moment, but the decision that I made caused me to worry for the next 2+ weeks. So my encouragement to you again, be mindful of the decisions you're making. Thank you for watching. See you with Omanal Boys.